Hey Divas, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna give you guys a empty house tour. I'm super excited. We found the place that we wanted. It has a lot of space, so I want to take you guys with me, so let's go. Hey guys, come on in to our crib. This is the Saunders crib, and now let's go. So first, as you walk in, we have the app bathroom. So this home is a 4-bed, 2.5 bath. We have all the common areas, kitchen, living room, dining. So this is the first room. This is the bathroom, the app bathroom. So this is the app bathroom. So next you have our coat closet. It's pretty huge. Come on. This is our coat closet. This is our thermostat. This is the stairs that lead upstairs. Upstairs is where all the bedrooms are. When you walk to this side, you have the laundry room. And we're gonna have to get our own washer and dryer. We have little cups. And we have quite a lot of space in here. It's a huge room, as you can see, and then this laundry room leads up to the garage. And this is a one-car garage. It's super huge. We chose this house because we have a lot of storage. So, because we have a lot of stuff, so we have a lot of space to store everything. So, let's go back inside. Right here we have the living room. It's huge. So in the living room there's a ceiling fan. We're gonna put I think we're gonna put the TV there, the sofa here, and then we're gonna do like a little office space down here. And then there's two entrances to the kitchen. So for here, this leads into the dining room area. We just have a four-chair table. This is the dining room area. Over the dining room area, you have the kitchen over there. Yes, we do have a white fridge, a white stove, but that's it. Our kitchen is, I would say, outdated with all these brown cupboards, but it is what it is. And that's the pantry. The pantry is huge. We have a huge pantry, so we can do some organizing. Even though we have a white fridge, it's pretty huge. It's a big fridge. A lot of space. The thing I like about this kitchen is we have a glass top stove. No more no more regular burners. We have these glass top. It has an oven, and this is our dishwasher. I like the way that we have our, some places you have a white and stainless steel. This is all white, so that's it. It's not mixed. That's one color. Leading out from the dining room area, you have the patio. Our patio. Backyard. So this is our own private space. It's all fenced in. We have neighbors. So I guess we can just plant whatever we want in our backyard because it's ours. So we can get our grill and stuff. We can do our own little grilling. Come on, Jordan, let's go back inside. Now it's time for us to go upstairs. Come on, Jordan. We have 2 flights of stairs. They're sharp, like 2 flights. So first, when you get upstairs, you have this wide, what we call it now, passageway. It's really wide. So the first room is this one. And this is the room Adriana says she wants. So it's a pretty decent size. Compared to other properties that we have seen, this is the biggest one we have seen so far. Everything else is tiny. Next room is this one over here. And Adriana says she wants this room. But let's see if they'll sleep in their own room. This one is a little smaller than the one Adriana's. And then there's a bathroom. This is the what would I say? It's not the master bathroom. This is the bathroom that the kids will use. So it has a tub and just regular. As I said, the cupboards are dated. Is that it? They're outdated, but it is what it is. You have to make it your own, okay? And then this is like a storage. The boiler room, this is the boiler room. Yeah. It has a lot of storage. And this is the third bedroom, which looks like the smallest of all four. So this is a third bedroom, and each bedroom has their own window, which is great. And onto, this is a, come on, Trina. This is a linen closet upstairs. And this is the master bedroom. So this is our bedroom. It's a pretty decent size. And that's the master closet. But because we have so much room, we can always turn one room into a closet. So all four bedrooms are here on the second floor. And leading to the vanity for the bathroom, the master, it's open, there's no door. And then this is the shower and the toilet. So this is it, guys. This is our house tour, our empty house tour. So I'll keep you guys up to date on when we get our furniture and put up our stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.